Alrighty, so this is how I make my collard greens. I start off with some smoked sausage. This is what I use today. And then I use this hickory smoked bacon, the thin slice. I also got this thick slice, but I didn't realize I only have half a bag of collards to use, so I only used the thin slice. That's some unsalted chicken broth. There's probably about like a half a cup in there. And then I just chopped up my sausage, chopped up about 2 medium-sized onions. I'm being lazy and I'm using the pre-washed, pre-shredded collard greens. So I always start first with frying up my bacon. These are the seasonings I use: Slappy Mama, black pepper, paprika, garlic, Old Bay. I ended up getting my red chili pepper flakes. Yeah, there they are, my crushed red pepper. And I'm gonna fry up the sausage right after I fried up the bacon. And then I throw in my chopped onions in there and I pretty much just cook them all together. I cook it all on 5, by the way. This whole time it's on 5. It stays on 5, the whole process, but basically. Once my onions get a little bit brown looking, I add my chicken broth, and then I start adding all my seasonings. So I start with that much red pepper flakes. Normally I add a bit more, but my grandma's gonna eat some of this, and she's not big on spices. So there's a little bit of Slappy Mama, a little bit of black pepper, a little bit more. That's some of the garlic powder, a little bit more garlic powder. That's the paprika. Paprika doesn't really have much of a spice, to be honest. I add a fuck ton usually. And just stir it all in. I came in with my chili powder. That's the thing I forgot. I almost forgot. And then I add in my greens. I just keep stirring it. I keep it at 5 still. Add a little bit more broth. I figured it was about to be empty, so I just said fuck it, add the rest of it. Make a mess when dumping the rest of the bag in. And I finally get it off 5. And I pretty much just cover it and let it cook at 3 for like 30 minutes. Until it gets to the desired texture. That's pretty much it, my southern fried collard greens. Hope you enjoy. It's real simple, real easy. Hope y'all enjoy. Don't forget to leave a like, drop a comment, and consider subscribing because it'd be really cool and it'd help me out quite a lot. And I love you guys. Be safe.